Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 2:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday, October 15th, 2017. A wind warning is issued for City of Toronto, York, Durham, Dufferin, Innisfil, and Halton Peel. A wind warning is continued for City of Hamilton.
Environnement